Hello, welcome back. I'm Teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Today, we're going to talk about Black Friday. What is Black Friday in the United States? Do you have Black Friday where you live, in your country or your city? But I'm going to share with you a little bit of vocabulary and a few phrases all about the biggest shopping day in the United States. I'll teach you a few words and, of course, some tips so you can use English while you're shopping for deals on Black Friday or really anytime you're shopping. Let's get started. I'm back again with 10 words and phrases all about Black Friday. So I love sharing 10 with you because it's pretty easy. It's not too little, it's not too much. It's like the perfect amount to learn in just 5 minutes, 8 minutes. I love it. Here we go. The first one is sale. What is a sale? This word. This is when prices go down, like on Black Friday here in the US, there are sales everywhere. All the stores have sales, and even online there are sales too. So, for example, you may see big sale this weekend only, Black Friday sale, right? Number two is discount. What's a discount? This is when they take money off of the regular price. Very similar to a sale. You can say, there's a 50% discount. That's amazing. Okay, number three is a deal. A deal. A lot of these words, they mean very similar things. A deal means it's a good offer. In your mind, you think, that's a good deal because it's 50% off. It's a 50% discount. It's a good deal. Really, it's a great deal. Okay, number four is buy one, get one. Or sometimes you see the letters BOGO, BOGO. It stands for buy one, get one free. For example, if you buy one coffee, you get one free. Or if you buy one jacket, you get one free. BOGO sale, a buy one, get one free sale. All right, number five is half off. If something is half off, half means 50%. And off is like the discount off of the regular price. So half off. If something is half off, it's a 50% discount. Number six is a limited time offer. What does this mean? If you see something that says limited time offer, it means you have to buy soon. The time is limited. The time of this offer, of this deal or sale or discount, the time is really short. So you have to buy soon before the offer ends. Number seven is a line. What's a line? In Black Friday in the US, you will find lines in stores everywhere. What are they? They're when a group of people are in a line. A line. In Spanish, we say a fila. Or maybe I think in the UK, they say a queue. A queue. But here in the US, we say a line. So I may ask someone, is this the end of the line? Oof, and there's so many people waiting for the store to open for Black Friday so they can get a good discount. The line. Number eight, a question that may be common is, do you have this in the back? Or do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? If you need to ask someone who is working at the store, do you have this discount, the item, do you have it in a different color or a different size? Or do you have it in stock, like more in the back because there's no more here for me to buy? In Black Friday, things sell out. They sell out really fast because the discounts and the sales are really good. There's usually a long line at the store, so things sell out. That means that there's no more of them. And you need to ask, do you have this in the back? Do you have this in stock? I really want one, please. Number nine is, this store is packed today. What does it mean, packed? Packed means it's very full of people. If something is packed, it means like everyone's standing really close together. There's so many people. The store is packed because it's Black Friday. Number 10, I got such a good deal. I got such a good deal on these clothes or this TV or this computer or these shoes. I got such a good deal. This is a phrase that Americans say when they found a good deal. They got a good price for what they bought. Okay, I just wanted to chat with you a little bit about Black Friday coming up. Black Friday is always the weekend after Thanksgiving. So you have Thanksgiving on a Thursday, and Black Friday is the day right after. And of course, the discounts, the sales, the BOGO offers, they really happen all week long. But years ago, when I was growing up, you would only find the sales on Friday, on Black Friday. But way back then, you couldn't buy things on the internet like you can today. So now you see deals all week, like Black Friday week or Black Friday weekend. There's even something called Cyber Monday. Do you know what that is? That's the Monday after Black Friday, where supposedly everything is even more on sale, but only online. That's why it's called Cyber Monday. So that Monday after Thanksgiving, you're supposed to be able to find the best deals shopping online. But in this time of the year, Thanksgiving and Christmas, there are deals everywhere. So it's hard to tell. It's hard to decide if you're getting the best deal or not because there are deals going on and offers and emails all the time. It's a little overwhelming, to be honest. Thanksgiving is my most favorite holiday, but I don't really love Black Friday. I don't love that feeling of needing to buy, spend money, get a good deal. No, it's not really for me. Anyways, I'm here again, looking the same as the last 2 weeks, very, very casual with you guys because I told you I'm traveling. I'm traveling for 3 weeks in another country. And do you want to know what country it is? I am in Malaysia and Indonesia for 3 weeks. Can you believe that? I'm there right now as you're watching this, if you're watching it when it comes out. So I'll be home very soon, and I can't wait to share videos and talk about my trip. It's my first time visiting Asia, visiting Malaysia, visiting Indonesia, and I'm so excited. So I'm making this video before I go. So when you watch it, I'm there. Time is crazy. So if you want, share with me in the comment section what's something that you want to buy on sale. I like to buy big purchases on sale, like when I bought my laptop or when we bought our TV, or even sometimes I look for things like tennis shoes or clothes on sale too. I love a sale. I don't like to pay full price for anything. All right, if you didn't see my last video, it was all about the grocery store, and that can help you if you're going shopping for groceries or food soon. Check it out. And of course, like, subscribe, share this video with a friend if you're having fun with me. Right now, can you believe I'm in Indonesia? I'm in Malaysia. I already know I'm having so much fun. If you're from Indonesia or Malaysia, let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time.